other way, like that.
Well, she's playing with it right now.
You guys are sharing so good.
1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump! Yeah!
Already.
He's so cute. Stop it.
Is that a black guy? Might be. Not on Detroit. Yeah, no, the black one.
He's gonna match. Wiper,
Oh,
no!
yeah, he's French.
Wiper, no!
Tomorrow, I may or may not be here.
All of them
Coming
are
to
French.
the cable.
Get
They
away.
don't shut till 12, then obviously.
That's fun. Down.
Well, that might work out because tomorrow afternoon I have to go. Well, I don't have to, but we have our skit that we're practicing for tomorrow. And I was late last time, so I didn't get in trouble or anything, but if I'm late again, it'll look really bad. But anyways, this is 5:30. Yeah, of course.
Where are your wipes?
They should be over there.
So sorry, Kim. Wipe.
They were right on top of there. I thought I got one to wipe her face off not long ago.
The monkey.
And they're in the green. They're in the green wipes box somewhere.